My husband and I sometimes order Chinese food, and there's one eggplant dish we both love. When I tried making it at home, it turned out almost the same as the one from the restaurant. He even asked me to cook it sometimes. So, today that's what I'm going to do: cook the eggplant dish we both love. I peeled some garlic earlier, and now I'm going to mince it. Mincing garlic breaks it into small pieces, which releases its natural oils and makes it more flavorful. Garlic adds richness and flavor to any dish. I really love the smell it gives off while cooking. I'm peeling this ginger. Once it's peeled, I'm going to mince it just like the garlic. Mincing ginger like garlic breaks it into small pieces, releasing its juices and oils for a stronger flavor. The smaller pieces cook faster and more evenly, making them great for stir fries, sauces, and soups. I love ginger because it adds a bit of spice and a refreshing taste. Since I enjoy it so much, it's sometimes hard for me to tell if I've used too much and if it's too strong for others. I'll use these green onions as a garnish once the eggplant is cooked and ready to serve. Here's the main ingredient of this dish: the eggplants. You can cut the eggplants however you like. I'm slicing mine diagonally since that's how they were cut in the dish we ordered. Here are the main ingredients I'll need for this dish: eggplants, oyster sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, a bit of sugar, cornstarch mixed with water, green onions are optional as a garnish, I usually cook the eggplants directly in the pan with the sauce, but today I decided to fry them first. I started by adding a little garlic and ginger to the oil for flavor. Cooking the eggplants with the sauce is easier and takes less time. But if I'm making this for a guest, frying the eggplants first makes the dish look nicer. This way, the eggplants don't look mushy. If it's just for me and my husband, I like to mash them a little so they soak up more sauce. Frying eggplants does make them soak up a lot of oil. Today this dish is vegetarian, but sometimes I make it with meat, usually ground meat. When I use meat, I fry it first. Once the meat is browned, I either fry the eggplants or make the sauce and add the raw eggplants to it. Then I keep cooking everything together. Now that the eggplants are fried, I'll take them out of the pan and start making the sauce. I'm using the same pan but wiped it clean to remove any brown bits of garlic and ginger. I'll fry the garlic and ginger in hot oil. Let me give this dish a bit of a kick by adding crushed red pepper to make it more interesting. The oyster sauce comes next. Oyster sauce is pretty thick, so I'll add a little water to thin it out and to spread it more evenly. If I want it saucier, I'll add more water and some soy sauce to keep the flavor balanced. I'll mix in the sugar, a bit of water to make it slightly saucier. Since I'm not adding much water, I don't think soy sauce is needed at the moment. I could add the cornstarch and water mixture now to thicken the sauce, but I prefer to add the eggplant first. Since the eggplant is already fried, I could simply pour the thickened sauce over it on a serving plate, but I like my eggplant softer and full of flavor. So I'll return it to the pan with the sauce to soak up the taste. I'm now adding the cornstarch and water mixture. The cornstarch will thicken the sauce, which will add more flavor to the eggplants. Once the sauce has thickened, I'll transfer everything to a serving plate and garnish it with fresh green onions. Cilantro is also a great garnish for this dish. Here is the final result. I hope this video inspires you to give this easy, quick, and delicious dish a try. Apologies for not providing exact ingredient measurements. I usually just estimate while cooking. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me grow and reach more people. Your comments mean a lot and help boost my videos through the algorithm. Subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting are all great ways to support and improve this channel. I truly appreciate your help and support. While you're here, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day and happy cooking!